Today I'm going to be unboxing my Gumball machine.
Because she did some good chores.
I did stuff for Mommy that she asked me to do. She couldn't find the one I wanted, but she found me a nice one.
I get you a bigger one.
It's bigger.
It might be not this one, but it might be the bigger one.
I think it's the bigger one, Naomi.
But I don't see
It's
it.
okay, we can just unbox this as well.
Can you open it? Thank you.
I think this is nice. So let's just...
Okay.
Oh, it is!
It is big. Ta-da! And this is how it looks.
Show it.
So let's get unboxing.
Show the front page. Classic candy dispenser.
Ooh, you can put it so big. I wonder for this.
Could I open it this time?
You can help me.
No, me not like that, like that.
Okay. Ooh. Ooh.
Whoa, it's
So
big.
look.
The shadow.
Wait.
Naomi, don't do that.
No.
You're gonna break it.
No, me, you pull it out.
Oh, sweet.
I think the dog is not.
Aw, that's just kind of cool size.
Where's the little box?
Oh no, it didn't come with the candies? What? I thought it comes with candy.
We just got this for nothing.
So here's the candy machine. It says it comes with a little candy, but this one didn't, so I guess we gotta buy the candy.
Hey, look at this. Look at this. I have my. Where's my money? Where's my wallet? It's not under my.
Wash product before use, so we gotta wash it first.
It's not fair. We bought this for nothing.
Yeah, we didn't have any.
So
it didn't came with a candy, so we gotta buy candy so that you can see. Can I borrow a coin?
Borrow a coin, Naomi.
Let's just try it.
Hey, let me try that. I want to try that. Let me try it. When I'm done, I'll let you try it.
Put it in. Oops. Maybe it's too big. Maybe it needs to be a penny. I mean,
Penny?
yeah, I think it needs to be a penny.
Okay, I have pennies.
And then you flip it over.
I can't get it.
Yummy.
Why isn't it?
Do it like this and then. Oops. It's kind of stuck. That's weird.
Video said it has a yellow box that with a big Gumball.
When you're supposed to get the coin. Where's the? So the,
What did you do?
oh, there's the money. You can get the money through the bottom. But you can collect the money. I'll collect the money. There you go.
No, I like collecting the money. It's my
So
money.
we just gotta buy some candies for Gumballs. You could also put jelly, all kinds of candy. You can put all kinds of candy.
All kinds of candy? It won't even fit.
It will fit. Like a jelly or a
Jelly
gummy worm. You can put a jelly bean or a gummy worm.
But the most thing are the best. You can blow them, pop.
All right.
Thank you for watching our video.
But the video's not done.
Bye-bye.